beauty in the city of Dijon. Kir Park. Look at the mountains, waters, Dijon's railways, cargos, trains, everywhere. Look at the greens. Everywhere is green. People are making love somewhere else there. Love there far. People are making some training also. Some of them are walking. And this, let's me here, standing here alone, just passing a few times for this life. You can see that TGV is walking there. That's TGV, the faster train has gone. Yeah, she's in front there. You see some car there, some naked people over there. You see mountains, trees. It's something joyful to be here. Look at that. Look. And this is me. Greens. Everywhere is green. Green.